come here. Come here.
What?
Yo, come here.
Really? You want to do that?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen someone who thinks the rules don't apply to them? In this video, we'll show you 3 encounters where entitled Karens push their luck with the law, only to find out they're not as untouchable as they think. On March 14, 2024, at a Target store, a shoplifting incident was in full swing. The store employees had been keeping an eye on a woman who they recognized from previous thefts at other Target locations. She had a history of stealing and had been banned from several stores, yet here she was again, trying to get away with it. The staff alerted the police, who quickly arrived to catch her in the act.
Ma'am, come here. Come here. Come here.
What?
Yo, come here. Come.
Hey!
Stop.
What's going on? Oh,
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Ma'am.
Ma'am, relax.
Put your hands behind your back.
Relax.
Hands behind your back. Down.
For what?
My cuff's off. You guys.
Oh,
Ma'am, stop resisting.
okay. All right.
You're about to get
Stop
obstruction.
resisting.
I got a concussion.
The woman was sneaky. She picked out multiple items, including clothes and accessories, and used a clever trick to try and fool everyone. She put the items in her bag and left the shopping basket empty, making it look like she didn't take anything. But the employees were onto her. They noticed her behavior and suspected she wasn't planning to pay for any of it, just like she had done before.
Damn.
Go inside. Man.
That was a very controlled fall. Ma'am.
Turn her over on her side. Turn her over on her side.
Get on your side. Get on your side. Get on your side. If you're gonna play this game.
Just keep running.
Yeah. Ma'am.
We're teaching all of that.
Where are you located?
Ma'am.
Jenna?
Miss Jackson. Miss
Yes,
Jackson.
what's your location?
Oh, you get a shower to come here?
Yeah.
Listen. EMS is coming. Let's stop playing these games. Let me show you. Or move the, put the cuffs on the front.
Ma'am, stay still.
Move your handcuffs to the front.
You want to put the cuffs to the front? And you just stay still. Put your hands in the front. Roll over this way. Ma'am. Ma'am. Roll over this way.
We're gonna move your handcuffs to the front.
You want to sit up?
Come, sit up. Sit up.
Hang on. Miss Jackson. Just let it be.
Just take the cuff off.
Miss Jackson, do you want an ice pack for your head? Huh? You want to get back in the chair now? Huh? You're saying you can't move? EMS here.
EMS is here to check you out.
So, We stopped her out here. She started pulling away from me. And I had a hold of her, and she was pulling away from me, so I tripped her foot. She fell back, and she did hit her head. We got her back up. She walked in here with us fine. Then she said her head was pounding, and then she sat down in the chair in there, and then fell, very controlled manner, fell out of the chair, and then started having what looked like a seizure on the floor.
In the middle of the struggle, she tripped and hit her head on the ground. She was transported to the hospital for medical evaluation, but refused any medical help, insisting she didn't need it.
Ma'am, what are you talking about?
Just
What are you talking about?
No, ignore me because I'm bloody.
It has nothing to do with race. It has to do with you had a bag full of merchandise. You had a bag full of merchandise. That's what it has to do.
How you know I was stealing?
Because you didn't pay for it. That's called stealing.
Did she see me take some?
Doesn't matter. You didn't walk in with it, and you walked out with it.
I didn't walk in with a bag.
You didn't walk in with a bag full of merchandise, ma'am.
She didn't know if I had merchandise.
All the merchandise had tags on it. What are you talking about?
But she didn't know. Did she see me take
Just stop. This is nothing about race. There's no
Yes, it
race.
is.
No, it's not. It's you stole, and that's it. And now you're going to jail for it. You shouldn't have stole this morning. Okay?
No, you're
you
right.
You made the wrong choice,
I did.
and now you're going to jail.
Throughout the encounter, the woman accused the officers and store staff of treating her unfairly because of her race. She believed they targeted her because she was black, which the officers denied. They explained that they were arresting her because she was caught stealing, and it had nothing to do with her race. The officers tried to calm her down, but she continued to argue, even though the evidence was clear. In the end, the woman was arrested and taken to jail. She was charged with shoplifting and obstructing official business, which means she tried to interfere with the police while they were doing their job. Specifically, she violated laws against theft, as outlined in the criminal code. One night, police officers were called to a bar where two people were causing trouble. Both were drunk and refused to leave when asked.
So you guys are together, right? You and her?
We're the same room.
Okay, cool. All right, you guys are good.
You guys are good to go.
Yes. Any charges?
Thank you, man.
You
Hey,
guys are good.
it's all great.
Well, you gotta leave though. You gotta leave though.
I'm sorry, man.
You're very intoxicated, man.
See you later. Let's go. Come on.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Well, you have 5 seconds to go, or I'm arresting you for disorderly conduct. You can put that on your camera. 1, go, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Instead of listening, Paul and his friend decided to mock the officers, ignoring their commands. This led to both of them being handcuffed and placed under arrest.
breaking your arm.
Now.
There we go. You're doing great.
Yep, you're just not listening. You're going to jail for disorderly conduct, okay?
Don't worry, we have your purse. Would you like your friend to have it?
Took out as soon as you grabbed her.
He's like, yeah, nope.
Let go of my
No, she's going to jail. He ran off.
No, he's right there.
I don't know her. Oh, did he?
Let go of my goddamn hair!
We're not holding your hair. He's holding your hands.
You're a prick!
I know.
You're a fucking womanizer!
What?
You're a rapist!
As the officers tried to control the situation, the woman with Paul became increasingly aggressive. She accused the officers of being racist and woman haters, throwing insults at them as they tried to put her in the police car. The officers remained calm, but had to warn her multiple times to stop resisting.
Is that an insult?
Yeah, it
Is it? Okay. I don't know.
Nugent!
Really? You want to do that?
The situation worsened when the woman spit on one of the officers, which is considered assault. Despite being told to calm down, she continued to hurl verbal abuse at the officers, calling them terrible names and accusing them of crimes they hadn't committed.
Stop, don't kick his car, stop.
That's not mine.
No.
Don't do that. Come on, you're being silly.
Give me my fucking phone!
No.
Stop.
Let go of me,
I don't
bitch!
want you spitting on me.
Let go of me, you abusive bitch!
I don't want... It's unlocked? Yeah, the door's open.
Put her in. Let's go.
Alright, relax. You got small wrists. I want to make sure.
Let go, you abusive bitch! I've been married to FBI for 20 years.
We don't work for the
Oh,
FBI.
you wanna?
Alright, go sit in the FBI. Sit in the car.
You don't know.
Sit in.
You ain't privileged, bitch.
Yeah, you're right. Stop.
Stop. Stop. Will you stop fighting? Stop. Why are you so angry?
Cause you're an abusive lying
watch your foot.
son of a bitch.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
Get a hobble.
Now you're gonna get tied. Get off. Stop. Stand up. Sit her down. Sit her down.
You wanna make shit up? Make shit up.
No, because you're acting out of control.
You're out of control.
Where's your ID at?
Don't worry about it. You lost my fucking ID.
We have
You formed
everything.
identity theft, you fucking pig ass bitch. Push my head down, you motherfucking abusive shit. Fucking.
No, also relax. There. No, no. Thank you. Tighten it. All the way.
Abuse! Abuse!
There we go.
Police abuse! Help! Help me!
Mama. Alright. Maybe she'll like you.
What's going on, Nicole?
What the fuck do you want, you stupid bitch?
Okay, can you step out?
What the fuck do you want, you fucking
Oh, she is?
Because she's kicking and spitting, so.
Okay.
kicking and spitting? What are you taking my vapes for?
How many vapes you got?
2! What do you know about fucking... What do you know about fucking, fuck... What are you touching my bra for, you rapist bitch? Touch me, bitch!
Do me a favor.
What do you know about fucking human fucking trafficking, bitch?
The female suspect's actions constituted several crimes, most notably assaulting a law enforcement officer. By spitting on the officer, she violated laws against assault and battery, specifically under the statute prohibiting the assault of a public servant performing official duties. In addition, her refusal to comply with lawful orders and her disruptive conduct constituted disorderly conduct. On May 14, 2023, officers were called to a scene where a woman named Christina had backed her black truck into another vehicle. When the officers arrived, they asked Christina for her driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. However, she could only provide her license, explaining that the truck wasn't hers, but belonged to her ex, and she didn't have the other necessary documents.
I'm fine. I just didn't see this car that's in the center of
Whose car is this?
It's one of my employees. She's coming out.
Hey, what I'm going to need is your driver's license, your registration, and proof of insurance, okay?
I don't have any of that. I just have my driver's license.
You don't have registration or insurance?
No, it's not my car.
Well, it's still
It's
your
my
responsibility
I
to provide
understand.
registration and
I
insurance.
understand.
Are you able to obtain that?
It is
Can you
my
get the registered
ex's.
owner to...
It's my ex's. That's all I can tell you. It is my ex's.
Do you have permission to have it?
Yes. I have permission
Okay.
to have it, but I don't have any information on it.
Who's in the car with you?
A date I was with. He's
A
too
date.
drunk.
As the officers continued their investigation, they spoke to a man who was a passenger in the truck. The man was visibly intoxicated and initially refused to provide his ID, arguing with the officers about whether he legally had to. After some back and forth, he reluctantly gave his information, but not without expressing frustration and claiming he knew the law better than the officers.
I just need your name, your date of birth, and a phone number so I can put you in the report.
I'm just shocked. Go ahead, give him his your info. No, prove it to him. At this point, I'm pissed. Prove him who you are, because I know they do not have to take that information legally.
Like,
I was the driver. I'm the
Yes, sir, I did.
responsible one.
To list you in the report.
I'm
That's
the
it.
responsible
Because you're a
one.
passenger in the vehicle.
I'm the responsible one.
I'm a federal, former federal inmate.
Okay. This is no adverse effect.
Yeah, I'm being contacted by my federal probation officer.
But there's no adverse
I
effect.
just got
It's
out of
not.
prison.
I understand that, but but this
Why
doesn't
am I
violate it.
So why am I going to be contacted by him for a situation I wasn't?
I'm not going to tell him.
You know, he's going to get notified. He's going to contact me. He'll go, hey, why were you fucking ran? So
Can we
now
get-
me as
can we get a
an individual who was not.
Do you have his name and number, and I'll call him and say you.
Please,
He's got a life too.
No, you.
know?
But someone
You know what
like
I mean?
that can help you.
You know what I mean?
But okay,
No, I
but
don't need.
I'm
Please
so
don't put your hand in my face.
Bill, I don't need your help. I want to know why my name was
No,
ran.
what I'm saying is a cop can
Hold
help
on.
your name.
No,
Because we
they
put
don't-
everybody.
They will not help.
We
you.
put everybody.
Look, I gave you my ID because I just wanted to go fuck home.
Okay, you can go the fuck home.
I didn't want.
You're good to go, dude.
Yeah.
I just had to get your information, put it in the crash report.
Are we
All right.
good to go?
You're not. He's good to go. You got to stay while I complete the crash because I get to give you a copy of it.
And
Okay.
then can we get an Uber and come back later from my truck?
When I'm done.
Thank you.
Once the crash report was completed, one of the officers started a DUI, driving under the influence investigation.
You good? Ma'am? You good? Yeah. Okay.
Where are we?
What?
I got some. I just
We see
left it open in case anybody needs to come
Yeah,
and
we're
get
still in the same place. He's finishing his paperwork.
it's up to you if you want to shut it down so you don't have to keep going in and out.
Huh?
Yep.
I was just waiting. I'm not trying to drive drunk out of here. I do want you to know that. I'm trying to drive out of here to get him.
Well, you don't need to be driving at all.
I know. What are they doing with him?
Huh? With who? The guy you were with? He's already gone. Yeah. He walked off 15 minutes, 20 minutes ago. Yeah, once he gave him back his driver's license and told him he was good, he could do whatever he wanted as far as leaving. He walked off, I think.
And I'm the sober one. How did they let... He's not sober. I can't believe you let him leave.
We didn't let him drive.
Did he really leave me?
I guess so.
This is the exchange information we give at the scene. It's not the completed report. Stuff to do a narrative.
Okay.
That's for you.
Thank you.
This is a citation for improper backing.
Okay.
This is one for no proof of insurance. You gotta have proof of insurance.
You got any questions for me now? All right, I'm done. I'm done with
I
my.
actually give you a hug.
Okay.
Genuinely want to give
I'm
you
done
a
with the
hug
crash
for
investigation. Now I'm going to move. I'm going to move towards a DUI investigation. I believe you're impaired and shouldn't be operating a vehicle. All right, I'm going to ask for you
cannot
to.
do a DUI.
I'm going to ask you to consent
not
to
drive.
field sobriety exercises.
I will not.
You're not going to do exercises.
I'm not going to drive.
The officer suspected Christina might be impaired, but when asked to perform field sobriety tests to prove she was sober, Christina refused. She insisted she wasn't planning to drive, but became more emotional and upset as the situation escalated, eventually pleading with the officers not to arrest her.
I'm not driving.
Okay. I'm asking you one more time
If it makes me pay
to submit
consequences,
to field sobriety exercises. You'll do those?
I will actually refuse them.
Okay,
Because
you
I'm not
refuse.
driving.
Okay. All right.
I'm
Let's go ahead and
sorry.
let's go ahead and step out of the car for me, okay?
Put that down. Let me see your.
Are you really arresting me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna take your vape pen and your keys. I'm gonna sit them in the seat right now, okay?
If it doesn't get me arrested, I'll take it.
Well, I've offered you that opportunity, okay?
Will it arrest me if I don't? If I take that plea, will it fucking arrest me?
Well, it depends on how you do on your exercise.
Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. It was him. I should have got arrested.
Why should it have been him? Huh?
I'm not the drunk one.
I believe you're intoxicated. I believe you're too impaired to operate a motor vehicle.
No, you can test me.
Okay, so well, that would be my next question. If you would submit,
I'm begging
if you would submit to a breath sample,
it's not fair. I'm little. It's not fucking fair.
Would you submit to a breath sample?
No, because I'm little.
All right, well, let's go have a seat in the back of my car real quick, okay?
Please,
Despite her pleas, the officer had reason to believe Christina was too impaired to safely operate a vehicle. Under the law, refusing to take sobriety tests when suspected of DUI can lead to an arrest. Specifically, Christina violated the law by driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, which is a crime under state law. This law is in place to protect everyone on the road, and driving while impaired can lead to serious consequences, including accidents, injuries, or even death. And that's what happens when entitlement meets reality. These Karens found out the hard way that no one is above the law. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts below. Stay tuned for more.